In this video, I'm going to talk about native Hiligaynon consonant letters and their respective sounds. Consonants are just as important as vowels. In modern Hiligaynon, there are 15 letters, meaning there are 15 distinct sounds as well. I'm going to sound each consonant letter with the accompanying inherent a vowel sound. Ba, ka, da, ga, ha, la, ma, na, nga, pa, ra, sa, ta, wa, ya, ba, ka, da, ga, ha, la, ma, na, nga, pa, ra, sa, ta, wa, ya. These consonants are not aspirated, meaning there is no extra sound following the consonants as in ba, ka, da, ga, and so on. If you place your palm in front of your mouth and aspirate these consonants, such as by saying ba, you would feel air being pushed against your palm. Whereas when you do not aspirate these consonants, like by saying ba, there is never any air bumping against your palm. Ba, baboy. Ka, kamot. Da, dahon. Ga, gamot. Ha, halong. La, lamok. Ma, manok. Na, nanay. Nga, ngalan. Pa, panit. Ra, ragaak. Sa, sapat. Ta, tanom. Wa, walo. Ya, yahong. There you have the 15 native Hiligaynon consonants. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the consonant ga. This is Angelo, your Hiligaynon tutor. I teach Hiligaynon from my perspective as a native speaker. Madamo gid nga salamat. Please like and subscribe.